Welcome. This is a hip opening yoga stretch to help gain hip flexibility. This is also a great end of the day session to do to help release those tight, stressed hips. We'll go ahead and take the knees nice and wide here. No pressure if it doesn't feel good today. Feel free to keep the knees closer together. We'll go ahead and walk the hands forward, stopping wherever you feel the stretch. Now we won't come into the full-blown child's pose just yet. I want us to rock side to side, so just really working into the hips a little. Just a really gentle side to side motion. Connecting with the body, connecting with the sensations within the groin and the outer hips, maybe in the lower back and the glutes. And when you're ready, begin to walk the hands forward, drawing the forehead, chin, or cheek to the mat for your wide leg child's pose. As always, utilize props under the hips for extra support if needed. Place some pillows, 2 pillows, 3 pillows, as many as you need. You can even place a folded up blanket or block under the forehead. Nice big belly breath here. Exhale, sighing out all that tension in the shoulders and the upper back. No clenching in the fingers, the toes. Begin to be present here with any sensations within the body. Even if you notice the shoulders starting to lift, acknowledge this. It is the connection to the body. When you're ready, gently release to tabletop. Wrists under shoulders, knees under hips. We'll go ahead and inhale, dropping the belly. Begin to rock the hips forward and back, side to side. Very gentle movements, just doing whatever feels good here. Just nice organic movements. And if you'd like, begin to round through the spine. On an exhale, lower the hips and hover over the heels. On an inhale, come all the way back up, dropping the belly, maybe rocking side to side, playing around here, going at your own pace. So once again, just doing whatever feels good, really exploring movement. Maybe tapping into certain areas, certain corners of the body that we don't normally target in our everyday lives, our movements. When you're ready, come to your back, take your time. We'll go ahead and bend the knees, planting the feet on the mat. Gently lifting the hips here. Go ahead and tuck the tailbone under. So we're sending the pelvic area up towards the sky. It's a very slight movement. Don't obsess over it. And we'll go ahead and release the hips back down towards the mat. Take the elbows in line with the shoulders for a cactus shape. And begin rocking the knees side to side. Hugging the knees to chest, go ahead and part the knees, grabbing the knees or the shins, allowing the knees to really fall open here. Let the feet be relaxed. No flexing in the feet. Option to rock side to side. Next, go ahead and grab the outer edges of the feet for happy baby pose. Option again here to rock side to side, giving the back a nice little massage. Go ahead and give the knees another good squeeze here. As always, you can never give yourself too many hugs. Release the left leg to the bottom of the mat. Back stays flat on the mat while taking the right knee to the left side of the mat for a supine twist. Nice slow inhales here. The breath oftentimes may feel a little restricted in this posture. Just slow your breath, your inhales and exhales. Inhale back to center. Switching legs. Left knee to the right side of the mat. Nice big breath here. Exhale, sighing out all the tension in that left shoulder. No tension in the feet or the hands. Release, hugging knees to chest, last squeeze today. Taking the feet to the bottom of the mat. Hands to your sides, palms facing up and open for Savasana. Using this moment to soak in all the work we did, to acknowledge our body. You are worthy of this time to be fully present with your body in its fully relaxed state. So enjoy, embrace this moment, embrace any sensations that may come up. Begin to wake up the body, wiggling the fingers and toes. Take your time here, rolling to your right side. Smile, give yourself a pat on the back for showing up to the mat today. When you're ready, come to seated. Inhaling, hands reach up overhead. Exhale, heart center. Thank you for joining. Namaste. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it below, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates on future videos and live streams.